This is a quick video update on some new parts that we have designed and test fit for DEXI. This is our 3D prints repository, and we'll be adding new accessories, add-ons for DEXI over time. So if you have the default, you might be familiar with the landing gear that we call the Talon. It's nice, clean. It serves as both landing gear and a bumper, but this year for the AVR challenge, we wanted to give a little bit more clearance. So this is the 2-inch landing gear. Keep in mind you'll need to print 2 of these, and then there's the mirrored version just because the geometry of the frame is a little bit different. So that's 2 inches of clearance above the ground. And then we also have a 3-inch version. Here you'll see the 3-inch and the 3-inch mirrored. So once again, print 2 of each and it'll make sense how they fit on the frame when you try to mount them. So let's take a look at them in the air. The landing gear are mounted with 10mm in length M3 screws, 3 of them for each landing gear. These are currently the 2-inch being tested in position hold. Here I'm showing the difference in width of each leg as well as length of the 3-inch versus the 2-inch gear. So I'm going to take the 2-inch off and mount the 3. I'm using 10mm long M3 screws going through the landing gear, through the bottom plate, and into the metal standoff. The 3-inch gear are mounted. I've powered up. I'm changing flight modes into position mode. That's the green LED. We'll just do a quick flight test, make sure there's no issues. Everything appears to be working well, so we're excited about this. Hope you enjoy the accessories. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And until next time, thanks for watching.